Hello, everyone. Mama Mita here. And so now I have a little salad that I want to make for dinner tonight. Now, if you ever go to the Ram restaurant and you see on their menu, at least they used to, I haven't been there in a long time. Well, because one thing, the prices got more expensive, and it's like, I don't think so. And then the other thing is the type of cheese that they put on that steak salad. Sometimes I got a headache from it, and so I'm like, I don't know, maybe I might have to skip that cheese on there. But they already, got it done up and everything and they bring it out and stuff. But it sure is a good salad, right? Boy. Okay, so today I decided that I was going to do kind of like that. I want to kind of clean up the garden a little bit because I've got so much stuff in the garden. I just really need to use all those tomatoes and lettuce and kale and what have you. And I'm like, boy, geez, we need to get this stuff out of here. So that's what I basically done. So let me show you. So I have in this little salad bucket here, I've got the little gems and I've got some red leaf that used in other salads before. And then I've got the red romaine lettuce. And so the and I've cleaned everything already. So the red romaine, I'm just going to rip it or tear it and put it in there. And then I've got some red kale or purple kale type color. Okay, and I'm just going to cut that and add that to that little salad bucket. And then I've got a little bit of basil and some parsley. I like parsley. I love the taste of parsley. Parsley tastes really good in food when you marinate it with meat and stuff. Okay, and then I've got a couple little things of green onions, and I'm going to add that. And then in the tomatoes, I have three different types of tomatoes that I'm using today out of the garden, and that's chocolate tomatoes, the cherry chocolate tomatoes, the yellow pear tomatoes, and then the sun go tomatoes. And then I've got some cucumbers, and then I have some red onion slices, very thin red onion slices. So we're going to add all of that to the salad. Okay, and then at that point, I'm going to take my flank steak because I had a flank steak that I got on sale at Fred Meyer's, and so for $5 I got this flank steak and I marinated with some olive oil, some salt and pepper and garlic, and I put it out on the grill. And so now I'm just going to thinly slice it. With flank steak, you want to thinly slice it, and you want to kind of slightly do that at an angle. Now, I'm not much of a meat eater. I'm more of a salad person. So the rest of that I'll keep for my husband. Okay, so now when we get to the dressing, we're going to add a little olive oil, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and I'm going to add a little mustard. In this case, I'm going to add a little bit of this stuff. I like this stuff. It's something new that came out and I like it. So I'm going to add a little bit of that. Now, if you didn't want that, you could add ranch. You could add a little bit of ranch dressing to it. And then I've got my feta. Now, I think at the Ram, they use Gorgonzola or they use blue cheese. I get a headache from that. I just don't know why, but I get a headache. So I just really can't do that. Okay, and then on that salad dressing, you're just going to mix it up. I'm not going to add any salt because the feta has salt in it. And I kind of worry because feta, they use a lot of salt to make feta. So that, I try to steer away from that salt business. Okay. And salt's the one thing that the liver doesn't like either. And because I have a fatty liver, I need to stay away from the salt. Okay. And that's all I really need. Then I can add the meat slices. And I don't think I need any more meat because the meat's got, seasoning and stuff. So anyway, and then I put it all in here in my little thing that I got many years ago from, I think maybe from Savers. It's an ice cream bucket from Tupperware. And then it's vintage. It's like its owner. And I shake it. And then that's it. And there's my salad for the night. My dinner salad. Isn't that beautiful? Can't find the meat though. Actually, you can. It's right here. but you see like little thin slices of meat. Now I think that the ram maybe slices there's a little bit bigger, but you don't get very many pieces of meat though. So, and it was getting pretty pricey. If I remember right, like $20. And I thought, well, that's a lot. Well, I mean, when we live on a budget, you have to really kind of watch it. So that's what I did tonight for my salad, my dinner salad. I'm not having anything else up just that, maybe a slice of French bread, and then that's it. So you guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye now, guys.